Welcome back everyone. In today's video I'm going to be giving you my prediction and analysis on this Bitcoin triangle pattern that everyone is talking about. You got guys making videos saying, guys, we could break out high or we could break out lower. So you got the reason they say that is because then they can't be wrong, right? Of course, it's easy to say it could break out upwards or downwards, but who's going to tell us the truth? Who's going to give us the real and definitive answer before it happens? That's Crash Trading. That's me. My name is Alex. Welcome if you're new. And we're going to say currently, okay, we're not going to make a call to the up or downside yet, okay? There's no need to make a call when you're still in the middle of the range, okay? So for now, no call needs to be made, but the call that I am going to make besides the breakout, okay, is that we're going to actually come into the lower end of this triangle right now, right? So you can see currently we're hovering in the upper end of this triangle, right? It looks like it's getting ready and bullish to break out, right? But what you don't notice if you don't understand the charts and the patterns is it's running out of gas and momentum. So it was already up 3,000 points yesterday, okay? Really 4,000 if you go from the bottom, right? 3,426 up to 37,792, right? So it's up 4 grand. And now what are you getting? The classic head and shoulders that we talked to you guys about. We did have a break of that neckline and boom, a drop quickly after. We have recovered on some tremendous volume. And so a lot of people think, oh yes, they're getting ready to break us out higher. But what you don't understand, once again, is it's still a topping formation and we don't have any signals or signs of a break of that top, okay? And for that reason, when you have an overextension followed by a decrease in momentum and slowdown, that's exactly when you're going to see the reversals take place. And so as a trader, you have to understand the behavior, right? And so you can look at the charts, you can talk about triangle patterns. What you have to understand, which is most important, is the behavior of what's actually going on. And the behavior is we had a large move followed by momentum slowdown, and basically Bitcoin is getting exhausted at this level. That's the behavior you have to understand. That's what the charts are telling you. It's telling you a story, but you have to understand that, and you're only going to understand that if you understand how to read the charts. So let's actually go ahead and extend this neckline over here, and actually you're going to see we're under that neckline right now. Okay, so we're using it as resistance currently, which is highly bearish. Okay, now obviously this is literally just at there. Let's zoom in here. You can see we're just now starting to use that as resistance. You can see those wicks popping out here right there and rejecting. Okay, so highly bearish sign for now. Obviously you want to give it a sec here, but guys, we're actually in the middle of a live trade currently, and if you want to see the live trade of this, what I'm actually showing you and talking to you about, okay, because unlike other people, we actually do what we say and truly believe in our plans and ideas, then make sure to drop a like on this video. If this video gets 200 likes, we'll show you the live demonstration shorting this on leverage, okay? Now what you need to understand is our entry is up here, okay? It's not down here, so it could bounce and we're still going to be break even if it gets all the way up to here. You see what I'm saying? So it's a really great setup because you can easily manage and track your upside potential, which means, okay, basically if it were to get above this 37.3 level, I probably want to get out and cut a loss, right? And so if you're a trader, especially, really, it doesn't matter what account size you have. It doesn't matter if you have small account size, large account size. I don't care if you have $1 million or $5,000. That's what you want to do if you want to be highly consistent and profitable. Is you want to trade the tops and trade the bottoms, okay? Stay away from taking large positions in the middle of the range, right? This is the top of the range, right? And so currently, right, you don't want to short BTC when it's right here, right? You want to short it as close as you can to the top of the range. It gives you limited upside with max downside potential. Basically risk to reward. That is the phenomenal setup you want to be taking advantage of, okay? So myself and our members are in this trade, and once again, if this video gets 200 likes, we'll show you the live trade of this, guys. It's going to be phenomenal, assuming I am correct, which I usually am correct, and that's why we have a coaching program where you can trade one-on-one with me, and that's why we have one of the most successful trading programs, so this is looking great, guys, and I just wanted to put this out there. Maybe you have time to get in, maybe you don't, okay? My job is not to get you in on time on this channel. That's obviously why I work one-on-one with our coaching members, is so I can call them and text them when it's time to get in, and we've done exactly that. But now that you've watched this video and seen some of the analysis that goes behind this trade, I hope you can actually come to an educated decision and decide for yourself what do you want to do, right? Because right now, if you enter, if it bounces on you just a little, you're already losing money, right? Whereas if it bounces on myself and our members, we're still up significantly on our position because of our entry price, right? So it makes a big difference, the entry. And I mean, literally, you're seeing this trade right now, how much money you could be making right now if you were in a coaching program, right? I mean, I don't need to tell you that, right? So guys, this is our prediction. At least we're going to come into the bottom end of this triangle. And, a break below this triangle, I mean, I think it would be brutal. And, I hope for the sake of everyone it doesn't happen. But if it does, we'll be there to short it. And I don't want you to miss it, okay? Because what you're going to realize recently is the Bitcoin volatility has been slowing down, okay? And so usually that's a bullish sign in most cases. And that's great. But it's at these times where the volatility actually settles down, but you're getting to these pivotal moments in the chart that it can break out again. So you please, guys, just be careful, be mindful of exactly what you're seeing here. And with that being said, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. So just a short analysis, short little prediction on my end, showing you exactly where I think we're heading. And by the time we get to the bottom end of the triangle, right, we're going to actually update you probably on what we think is going to happen next. But this is a mistake a lot of people make, right? You only make predictions, you only make decisions and judgments when it's right to make the judgment. Sometimes the best time is to just sit out and do nothing, right? For example, if you've been following this channel, do we make Bitcoin videos? Do we predict Bitcoin every single day? No, because you don't want to predict Bitcoin every single day. But what I see is a lot of other channels, they try to predict, they try to analyze Bitcoin every single day. And I just find that to be useless because there's no need to be making any assumptions sometimes. Sometimes you just want to sit out. And so that's why you have, if you've been following this channel, we have such a high win rate is because you have to know when to sit out and when to shut your mouth, right? When you shut your mouth and stay out of the trade and come back when it's time to take the trade, that's how you make a shit ton of money trading Bitcoin, especially on leverage like we love to do here. So guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin on leverage, I'm actually going to switch over to our Bybit tab. I'm going to cover out P&L, everything, because once again, if you want to see this live trade here on 60x leverage, I need you to drop 200 likes on this video, and I'll show you the live trade of this. So I'm going to block out the bottom here. Because once again, if you want to see that, obviously we're in this position right now making money. Then please drop a like on this video and share it. But guys, if you want to set up and short Bitcoin, highly recommend this platform I'm using right here. Once again, I wouldn't recommend it if I didn't actually use it myself. It's super nice, super easy to use. We obviously broke down the platform somewhat yesterday, so I hope that video was a little bit helpful. But that being said, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. So step number one, if you're going to finish off this video and you want actionable results, you want to do something right now and take advantage. One, I need you to set up an account on Bybit with the link below. It's going to give you less fees and commissions. And trust me, let's actually talk about this real quickly. A market order is 0.00075% commission, right? So let's say you have $1 million position. I think the commission on a market order, it's automatically going to take about $750 off of you on $1 million position. Now, when I say $1 million position, we mean the total leveraged position on your Bitcoin, right? So to get to $1 million, right, if the price is 36,000, what do you need? Like 33 BTC to get to $1 million? So basically, if you had a position that controlled 33 BTC, you'd basically be paying $750 in commissions, right? So, all right, guys, we're running out of time. I got to get this video out right now. This shit is dumping 600 points already since I started recording this video and telling you we were in. And that's exactly why you need an account, so you can short that and make money with us on these predictions and analysis videos that we give you, okay? So it's not too late, but just be a little more careful. Use our link below with the VPN. You're going to get less fees, less commissions, and make money on this drop with us, guys. Let's rock and roll. And guys, if you're a crypto trader, just join us today. Schedule a 20-minute call and join one of our programs because you'd literally be up 3 BTC right now if you're in on this trade with us, okay? So last thing, if you're a hodler, whatever you call it, okay, it's not time to hodl. It's time to trade, and then you can hodl as much as you want after you trade it, right? So that's the way to do it, guys. That's how you really build a huge portfolio of crypto, is you got to trade it and then add to your portfolio. Trade it, add to your portfolio. Trade it, add to your portfolio. And I promise you, we can build you up a huge crypto portfolio if you're watching this video. So schedule a 20-minute call. It's on our site and it's free to schedule. So I hope to talk to you soon, guys. Let's help you take advantage and make some money. My name is Alex, and we'll see you on the next video. Let's talk soon. Bye.